Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today is another outfit of the day. I really like doing these videos and I hope you guys are enjoying them as well. Today's outfit of the day is going to be another Christmas one. This is going to be my last Christmas one for the year. And this one is a little bit different. I am going to my mother-in-law's to go bake today. And I told her, I was like, I have the perfect outfit for that. It's gonna be a Christmas / baking outfit type thing. So stay tuned and I will show you guys this outfit. Okay, so now that I have my outfit of the day, let's go over all the details. First thing that I'm wearing is this top, and the top I made, but I got this part from a thrift store and I cut it off a t-shirt and made my own because I wanted it to be a different style. I didn't just want it to be a t-shirt because I'm really not a t-shirt kind of person, if y'all haven't noticed. So I usually wear strapless shirts, and even in the wintertime I'll just pair it with a jacket. And the dog I got from, no, I'm just kidding. Oh, buddy. Guys, he loves being in my videos so much. He doesn't look like it, but he begs to be in my videos. And whenever I tell him it's time to film, he jumps up in the chair back here and he is ready to go, you guys. Like, he loves it. But anyways, back to the outfit of the day. Next thing is this cupcake skirt, and isn't this so adorable? I absolutely love this print, and I actually made it for my birthday back in April, and I didn't get to go anywhere because we were all quarantined and still kind of are. So there was literally nothing open, so I went to the Cheesecake Factory. Me and my husband went, we picked up the food, and we came back home. But I'm pretty sure that I wore this skirt anyways, so. And I made this little matching scarf with it, and I just think it is so adorable. I love it together. Next thing is this hat, and this hat was thrifted a few weeks ago, actually. And I just think it is so freaking cute. And it says spoiled on it. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to wear this one with this outfit or this really cute cupcake one. And I really like the cupcake one too with it now that I'm seeing the whole outfit together. But I don't know, I really like the pink Santa hat because the pinks and purples match with this so good, and I have fur on my jacket. So I don't know, which one do you guys like better with it? I mean, I think they're both cute, they both match, but I gotta pick one. So I think I'm gonna stick with a spoiled hat, but I don't know. We'll see. I like both of them. And the jacket is from Sugar Thrills. I just did a haul video on that recently, and I thought this just paired perfectly with it. The lipstick is NYX. This is the lipstick, and it is called Pink Lust Passion Rose. This is a really good one. I really like NYX lipstick. It stays on forever and it works really good even when you're eating and drinking, and it's super affordable. I love cheap cosmetics. And the eyeshadow is NYX too. I don't know what the palette is called, but. And the socks I'm wearing are from Dollar Tree, and these shoes are from Walmart. And they actually fit really well. Like, I'm actually really happy with them. I'm glad that I didn't take them back. And maybe they just run a little bit bigger because they are house slippers. But now that I took the cardboard out from behind it and took the tags off and everything, they actually fit really good. They are so comfy and soft. I love them. Then I just paired it with my pink Moschino bag, and I just think it ties in really well with everything. What do you guys think about this outfit? Let me know in the comments section. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.